Hi friends, I hope you all are doing amazing. This is our FlipGrid, so I'm going to show what this will look like for you. So as a student, you will enter like this. So you'll join with your Google, you'll select your Google, and this is what it will look like. So you'll have get to know your friends. I said I hope you all have enjoyed your summer and are ready to begin the year. As you know, we must start off with getting to know all of our peers. What I would like you to do is film a FlipGrid answering these 3 questions. So the first question you'll answer is, what is your name? I would like your first and last name, please. Then the second question you're going to answer is, what is your favorite sport or hobby? And then the final one is, tell us something fun that you did over the summer. So what you'll do is you'll click this little button that says record a response. Then your face will show up on the screen, but just make sure that your computer has allowed access for your microphone and your camera to be on. And you'll record your response. There's mine right here. I just did mine 3 minutes ago, recorded my response. And if you want to watch mine, all you have to do is just scroll down like Miss Devin just did and click on what I recorded. Very simple, easy, and I cannot wait to see everybody's FlipGrids. All right, talk to you soon.